Hey Lawn Dogs, it is October 2nd, and as you can see by the window behind me, it is frosty out, so we are letting the window warm up. And while we do that, we're gonna sing happy birthday to Morgan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Morgan. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 19. Still so young. Man, I can't wait till you're 21. Don't tell your dad, I'm gonna get drunk. Alright. Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com, Tyler and Morgan. And we are getting more rain. Well, we got 4 yards done today, and then it started raining on us. So we're gonna head back to the shop and do some work. So stick around. We'll record this, and well, we'll change some blades. All right, we'll be back. So Lawn Dog, this is what we're doing while it's raining. Right now, I just showed them how to change the oil on that. I'm gonna actually finish it while they're scraping the deck on this and changing out the blades. Hopefully this rain lets up and we can get back outside. I told these guys the biggest things, just make sure your head is not underneath there. You know, I can handle losing an arm, but I don't wanna deal with losing a head. So, biggest to keep that out from pinch points. This is how I jack mine up. Whoa, almost dropped the phone, guys. This is how I jack mine up. Right there, that's attached to the beam, but and I've had them all up on there, so it's pretty safe. Yeah. Oh, wet mowing, man, that's what we get. It actually wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Did you guys think it'd be worse?
No.
No?
I didn't even think it was gonna rain that much today.
No, I meant underneath the deck.
Oh, under here? No.
Yeah, I thought it'd be backed up bad after this week of wet mowing. Morgan, in the springtime when I do this is what kills my allergies. I literally have to wear a face mask. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get that oil changed. The oil is draining. They are working. Going good. It's still raining out. But I tell you, this is pretty easy. So I changed the oil filter after 100 hours. And I wasn't supposed to till 200 hours, so I'm gonna skip changing the oil filter this time. We'll just do it every odd number. So when I hit 300 hours, we'll change that oil filter. So that's what the manual says. Oh. We need some music. You guys want to listen to more country music?
No.
Morgan, you don't like country music yet?
Mm-hmm.
What music do you listen to?
Everything but country.
Like jazz?
Yeah,
You want me to put on some smooth jazz?
I'd rather listen to smooth jazz.
All right, here's some smooth jazz for you. It's playing in the video. That's quite a bit. You guys think it might be time for some new tires for this thing?
Yeah.
That one's pretty bald. It's got a little tread, but it's pretty bald too.
Why is there even a space in this?
So after replacing that thing, we have the guys and gals hand tighten them before they put the impact on it, the new blades. Tyler, you put that one on upside down.
This one?
Yeah. No, I'm
It's
just
not.
kidding. Cool. Hey on, dogs. We are back. We are wrapping up the Kubota blade change. Deck cleaning. Tyler's getting the last blade on. Those are 810 Gator blades. They're like my favorite out of all the blades I got. See how that's wobbly? Yeah, that's not sitting there right. So that bushing's probably not right. It's probably good. You just gotta get that bushing to sit. Just rotate that bushing, you'll feel a snap. That actually already looked like it just went in right there, didn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm actually not even videotaping it. I was videotaping above it. The phone drifted up. See? That's what I'm talking about. Yep. See, I learned my lesson with that the first time. Let's check it. All right, we're done. And it is still raining, so we're going to end up calling it today. It's just ridiculous. It's supposed to rain all day, I think. Oh, looks like we're working this weekend. Except Morgan, she's going hunting. Hey, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this still, you definitely need to subscribe to my channel. I need more subscribers. Anyway, hey, always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Floyd, Tyler, Morgan, we're out.